So, for April 28th, you can see I'm standing here at the garden. It needs a lot of work. So we're going to start to prepare the garden for the summer. Got a little bit of manure in here, but we're going to get some more. Got another pile over there. We're going to get a wheelbarrow. We're going to spread some in here. I'm going to see if we can get that old machine going. And we're going to give this garden a good going over. We're going to start by picking up this here. I'm not sure which tool we're going to need. For fun to see if it'll start. Let's look at that. Gas in it. One pull. You're all in it all. Yard maintenance, we gotta go drop it, and we're gonna bring our old little dog here. She wants to get off. You doing that, me? Oh, that was quite the chore. Look at this dog. The dog. go for a ride, okay, girl? Loading up this wood for our next bill project. Got a pretty good start of wood here. That's going to be for. Give you a little look. We're going to redo this whole step here. This was all I made this with logs years ago, but time for a change. It's kind of dangerous. Sometimes people step in here like this, and they could break their legs. So we're going to do a complete change here. We're going to make it bigger from here to here probably. And new stairs, new railings. That's some of what we're going to do. We got to finish cutting that stove wood. And let's take a little walk around the property. Hold on. The apple trees are starting to collect their little leaves. There, they're all over. I planted them everywhere. See what else is coming up. Pick that. There's a big little. Pick that up. You guys know what this is? Comments, you know what they are. Oh, this. Everybody knows this. Rhubarb's coming up. Just starting. Got our chives are coming up. More right there, a little patch. And there's another patch right here. And there's another little patch of rhubarb I planted last year, the year before. With all these apple trees are all starting to get their little some are later than earlier. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what happens this year if we get any apples. We'll see how it goes. Plus, we want to. We're going to close up two sides on the lean-to we built here. I'm going to close it up because I find in the winter the wind blows through. I mean, it probably blows through the front too, but I don't want to block off the front or the back. We're just going to block the sides off. Tuesday, I'm going to try to start that deck, whatever it is, deck or entrance, hopefully on Friday or Saturday. So hopefully we can get her done. We'll have a little bit of a video coming out for that. So anyway, just stay tuned and we'll see what comes next. Okay, guys.